Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play without a capo. Many guitarists rely on a capo to change keys, but mastering capo-free playing opens up a world of versatility. We will explore how to transpose songs, utilize different chord shapes, and leverage the entire fretboard. This approach enhances your musical understanding and expands your repertoire significantly, allowing you to play virtually any song in any key. Transposing is key to playing without a capo. First, determine the song's original key and the key you wish to play in. For example, moving from G to C is up 5 half steps. Then, apply this same interval to every chord in the song. If a G chord becomes a C, an M chord will become an M, and a C chord will become an F. This systematic approach ensures your chord progression remains musically correct. Bar chords are your best friend when playing without a capo. They allow you to play any major or minor chord anywhere on the neck. Focus on pressing down firmly with your index finger across all 6 strings, or 5 for a shape bars. Practice transitioning smoothly between different bar chord shapes, such as an F major at the 1st fret and a B minor at the 2nd fret. Consistent practice will build the necessary hand strength and dexterity. Beyond standard open chords, explore their variations. For instance, a C major can be played in several open positions, offering different tonal qualities. You can also simulate a partial capo by using one finger to bar 2 or 3 strings, creating unique sounds. This expands your harmonic palette and provides more options for playing songs in various keys without needing a physical capo. Experiment with these techniques to find what works best for each song.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.